Begin by melting 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. As the butter is melting, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and whisk the flour for about 1 minute. Then add 1 cup of granulated sugar, followed by 1/4 cup of water, and whisk that in. Reduce the heat to low and continue whisking for about 2 minutes. And after about 2 minutes, once the sauce is nice and thick, go ahead and set it aside. For this apple pie recipe, we are using 6 green apples. Peel the green apples and remove the core as well. Thinly slice the apples and transfer into a large mixing bowl. Now sprinkle 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon and toss to combine. Pour the applesauce and toss to cover all the apple slices. And to make things easier, we are using store-bought apple pie crust. However, if you want to make your pie crust from scratch, go ahead and do so. Ain't nobody got time for that. Let the pie crust come to room temperature, about 10 to 15 minutes. Roll out the pie dough and place over the pie dish. Then transfer the apple mixture into the baking dish. Roll out another pie crust onto your cutting board. Then, using a pizza cutter, cut about 10 equal size strips. For the classic pie look, arrange the strips just like so. And that would be your classic pattern. However, we're not going with the classic look, we're going to change it up. Using a lattice roller, we're creating the pattern on the dough. Go ahead and place whatever design you go with over the apple pie. Use any leftover dough to go all around the edge of the pie. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 220 degrees Celsius. Using your fingers, pinch all around the edge to give it that final professional look. Combine 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water. Brush the apple pie with the egg wash. Now, bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 45 minutes, or until the apples are soft and the apple pie is golden brown. And if everything goes according to plan, your apple pie will look like this. Let the apple pie rest at room temperature for at least 1 hour before serving. Do not cut into your apple pie right away because this is what would happen. Okay, not cute. There you guys have it, apple pie. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.